Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you I can fit a column or a column width to the data size in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So what do I mean by that, guys? Let's say, for example, we have a table like this here in my example spreadsheet, and you have a column like that one here, column E. And now you'd like to resize the entire column so that it has the same size as the widest data or cell under or within that column here, which would be that cell here, if I am correct. None of these. So you can do this, of course, that's option number one. You can do this manually by left clicking into that handle to the very right of the column and simply resize it. If you don't like that method, guys, you can also apply the following fix. Simply right click into the column header and select resize column. And after that, you can use these numbers here, of course. However, there is that option below, fit to data, which is way more accurate. So apply it by clicking into it, select OK. And there you go. As you can see, now the column width has the same width as the widest cell of the column. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.